little bit of snow. I'm so excited, I can't wait to test the 40-volt Greenworks Snow Shovel for the first time. I would like to thank Greenworks Canada for sponsoring this shovel for a honest test and review with no strings attached. This 40-volt snow shovel can be purchased by itself or as a kit with a 4 amp-hour battery and charger. This auger can clear snow 12-inch wide and up to 8-inch deep. With the simple turn of the switch, you can move the snow blades 30 degrees one way or 30 degrees the other way. The battery mounts at the top of the tool. There is 2 speeds. The first speed will run your auger at 1500 RPM, while the second speed will run your auger up to 1800 RPM. The shovel tool only weighs about 14.5 pounds. If you buy the kit, the 4 amp-hour battery weighs about 3 pounds. The trigger have a lock mechanism so that you don't start it by accident. There is a nice ergonomic handle so that you can maneuver the tool in different directions as you need it. It's pretty comfortable. It's built very solid. You can even adjust it to the position that you want, if you want to turn it or if you want to move it up or down. Now you're going to need to support this bracket in the back in order to move it. If you just try to move it with the handle, it binds on the tool. For easy storage, or if you're bringing it in a small car or something like this, you can take the shaft apart, keep a couple threads in so that you can push on here to be able to undo your bolt from the metal sleeve, because that bolt have a square shank. I'll have to press on this pin. Now I can pull it apart. The harness stays in one piece. There's some loom around it to protect it, but now I can fold the shovel. You buy the shovel as a kit with the 4 amp-hour battery and the charger. The battery is going to be 4 amp-hour, 146 watt-hour. And the charger is actually a pretty quick charger. So this charger have an output of 40 volt and 2 amp. You should be able to charge a battery like this in half an hour, 45 minutes. The auger is plastic, but so is most of the snow shovel manufacturer build them like that anyway. But it's nice and strong. You can see how thick the blades are on there. Now the big advantage that you have with Greenworks compared to other brands of snow shovel is that Greenworks have a wide assortment of spare parts so that you can do maintenance if something goes wrong with your unit. Now you better subscribe, because whenever there's better condition, more snow or heavy snow or wet snow, we're going to put those 3 40-volt snow shovel against each other. Another bonus with the Greenworks snow shovel is that there's LED lights at the end, so that like that it's easier to do some work and more safe to clean up your driveway at dusk or done. But now enough stats. If you click on that video, it's because you probably want to see if it can really throw the snow at 25 feet. Now we have just powder snow right here, so it's gonna be pretty easy to do. But because it's our first time too, and I like to test stuff a little bit harder, well, right here, the snowbank that I have on the side of my driveway, it's all icy. So let's see if we can break this apart and make a path in here. Okay, here's something that you have to see. I just peppered my truck with the snow shovel. Now let's measure how far. I went to the end of the carport here and I was throwing snow right into my window and my hood. So let's measure and see how far that was. So my truck is parked running out of tape here. Oh, that's 25 feet. That's a 25-foot tape. 25 feet was here. And another 4 foot. This was on speed 2, and I was able to throw snow at 29 feet away. Okay, now I'm on speed 1. We're gonna do speed 1 first. We're gonna see if we can shoot the side of the snowbank. Now, let's try it on speed 2. This is the snowbank that we're chewing, but as you can see, there's some nice thick ice on the bottom of it. I think that the only thing why I was struggling with this is just because how thick the plastic it is on each side of the auger. So the auger don't have trouble itself going through the snow and through the ice. But when you're hitting the plastic on the side, that's what's stopping it. Now the Greenworks batteries work better if they're at room temperature in between 16 and 23 degrees Celsius. If you're having trouble with your battery or your shovel not starting in the winter, then bring the battery inside until it warms up a little bit, then try again, and you usually fix the issue. Now the shovel itself is quite heavy for a snow shovel like this. If you need the power, this is exactly what you need. Though a big unit like this, if there's thick snow or wet snow, to make it easier on you. But this is not a shovel that you're going to be lifting like this and deep snow, or it'll be hard on you. It's gonna be just fine for brushing it against the floor in your driveway or your porch. Now I drove on top of this with the truck earlier, so I packed some snow down a little bit. This is why it's hanging at a couple spots. With the 4 amp hour battery like this, they're saying that you should have enough runtime to be able to do a 4-car driveway like this. Mine I can park 3 car comfortable in here because of the carport. I got the face full of snow quite a few times with the wind blowing it back at me. So there's a couple of things I have to say here. Is I did my driveway. I can park 2 full-size pickup truck and a Toyota RAV4 in here, and there's 2 bars left for the battery. I clicked it a second ago after it was just done, and it was showing 1 bar, so they were probably in between 1 and 2 bar. Now the one thing that I have to tell you though is, because the trigger is so small and it's underneath the handle and the shaft is so long, when I was doing my porch over there, just to be able to bring the shovel enough towards me to start the edge of the porch, that's quite a reach up here. I have to have my elbow all the way up like this. It's very uncomfortable, and I keep having to change hand, which hand is holding the handle and which hand is holding the trigger, because that trigger is so small. You just hold it with the tip of your finger, the 2 finger at the front, and it's pretty uncomfortable for the wrist to be twisted like that in order to do this kind of work. Other than this, the shovel is impressive. It's really quiet. You can hear the power out of it, but it's very quiet for how much power there is compared to other style of shovel. Now we're going to have to try it in 1/8 inch of snow if we can have a big dumping one time, and see how it handle nice heavy wet snow or slush another time. But for the first time trying it, pretty impressed with it, pretty happy. But yeah, I wish that you could kind of fit how long the shaft is here. If you're a smaller person, it might be a pain in the butt to bring that shovel close to you. You might have to always work with it as far from you as possible. If you're interested in seeing the drive component of the snow shovel, you have to remove the 7 torque screw bit. They're T20. And just remove this cover. Be careful so you don't lose the spring that put tension in this pulley here. So this is our belt tensioner, spring loaded. Looks like it's just a bearing in here. Here's the motor or belt with our pulley for the auger. The pulley for the auger, it's really well built. They had a metal plate around the bushing area, so it stays nice and solid. And it's actually a metal housing around the brushless motor. Most of those parts are replaceable. I believe that you can get a new tensioner for it, or the bearing, or you can get the springs too if you need to. The belt is usually available. And this is where you're going to see that this is a premium tool. If you're interested in this Greenworks snow shovel, go and check it out on my Amazon storefronts.